So that's how of using the count row function in DAX. So let's see another example. Now we have the maximum function. Let's see the max function and the max x function. Let's see the max function and the max x function. Now you can see the max function returns the largest value in a column or between two scalar expressions. Now, for the max x function, we have two arguments. And the other argument is option. So let's see how we can work with the max x function. Let's see how we can work with that. Let's see how we can work with the max x function. So now the maximum function gives us a single value, and that single value is a measure. So since it's a measure, we click a measure, so max. So let's assume I want to know the maximum sales value. I want to know the maximum sales value. I type the max function. Now the max function, you can see I have two arguments. The second argument is optional. Now if I'm interested to know the maximum sales value, that's I'm interested in the sales table. I'm going to type the sales. Now, which column am I interested in? Now, out of the sales table, I'm interested in the column known as sales amount. I want to know the maximum sales amount. I type it back into enter. Well, when I do that, you can see I have the maximum sales amount. So that gives me the maximum sales amount.